Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video we are gonna learn how you can log into your existing Deribit.com account. If you have a Deribit.com account and you'd like to get access to your account and sign in, first of all open a web browser on your computer or your mobile devices or even your laptops, and then type in Deribit.com in the URL box and search. You'll find yourself in the official website for Deribit. Now go to the upper right corner and click Log In. To log into your existing account, you'll need your account's credentials. So make sure you know your credentials. Your credentials are the one that you used while signing up for Deribit. Since I use the email option for signing up, I'm gonna have to type in my email and then the password in the respective text boxes. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, then you can go ahead and choose whether you want to log in with passkey or two-factor authentication code. Enter the code in the text box and click Continue. Soon after you do that, you will be able to log into your Deribit.com account. So that way, you can regain access back to your existing Deribit account. All you need is your credentials correct and your two-factor authentication code, and you'll be good to go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.